Hi everyone, this is Navya from class HSC of Arvind International Residential School, Kunigal. I am really glad to say that our school has started online classes and I am thanking to everyone of Arvind family and especially to our science teacher Chetan Abur sir for giving this opportunity. Today I am going to discuss about acids, bases, and salt. So, what are acids and bases? Acids are the chemical agents which releases hydrogen ions when added to water. Bases are substances which accept hydrogen ions from acids. So, what are the properties of acids and bases? Acids are sour in taste and they changes color of litmus blue to red. Bases are bitter in taste and litmus color changes red to blue. So, why do we use detergent more than soap to clean a messy cloth? Do you know? Because detergent is little acidic in nature, which cleans the cloth completely, but soap is basic, which does not clean cloth completely. So, how can you identify whether the given compound are acidic or basic? So, we use some indicators to find it. So, what are indicators? The substance which is used to identify the acid and bases are known as indicators. These are some natural indicators: turmeric, red and blue litmus paper, red cabbage, etc. So, what are olfactory indicators? The substance whose odor changes when added to acidic or basic media. These indicators changes its odor in acidic or basic solution. So let us see examples for olfactory indicators. Onion vanilla extract. When onion is added to acid, it retains its smell, and when added to bases, it loses its smell. In the same way, vanilla extract also retains smell in acidic solution, and in basic solution it loses its smell and gives very bad smell. Now let us see how this indicator works. Here I am taking 2 glasses of turmeric water and I am adding few drops of lemon juice and few drops of soap water. So now you can observe that when we add lemon juice to turmeric water, it does not change its color. This indicates that the lemon juice is an acidic solution. On the other side, we have taken soap water and we added it to turmeric water. So now we observe that the changes of color from yellow to red. Now this indicates that the solution is basic. That means soap is basic. Now let us take phenolphthalein indicator. Let us add a few drops of hydrochloric acid to it. It does not change its color because it is an acid. Now let us add few drops of sodium hydroxide. Now you can observe that color is changing to pink. This indicates that sodium hydroxide is a base. Now let us move on. What happens when acids react with metal? It produces salt and hydrogen. Its basic equation is acids plus metals gives rise to salts plus hydrogen. Now let us see what happens when acids react with carbonate. When acids react with carbonate, it produces salt and carbon dioxide with water. Its basic equation is acid plus carbonate gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. What happens when acids react with bases? When acids react with bases, it produces salt and water, and this process can be called as neutralization. So, why do we use tamarind or lemon to clean copper vessels? It's because copper is a metal which reacts with acid since lemon or tamarind are acidic in nature. Hence these reacts with acid to produce copper oxide, salt and water. Thus copper will be cleaned. Now let us move on. In alcohol, glucose and hydrochloric acid, which conducts electricity? First let us take alcohol and glucose. In these two, the both solutions does not conduct electricity. This means that bulb does not glows. Why? Because glucose and alcohol are not acids, they are compound which contains hydrogen ions. Whereas HCl conducted electricity. that means bulb, glows. Why? Because HCl is an acid which undergo dissociation in water medium and forms hydrogen ions, whereas organic or inorganic compounds does not undergo dissociation and they does not form hydrogen ions in the water medium. Hence glucose and alcohol does not conduct electricity. Then what is responsible for acidic character? Yes, it is hydrogen positive ion which is responsible for acidic property. Does distilled water conduct electricity or rainwater? Distilled water does not conduct electricity because it is a pure water which does not contain any hydrogen ions and also it does not go under dissociation. Whereas rainwater conduct electricity because it undergo dissociation and it contains hydrogen ions. Now we got conclusion that acid shows acidic character in the presence of water. So next, what does bases produce when added to water? It produces hydroxide. Now let us move on to dilution. The process of mixing acids or bases with water to decrease the concentration of ions can be known as dilution. In this process, only acid should be added to water, or else when we add water to acids, the concentration may become more and glass beaker may break and there is a chance of skin damage. Alkalis. The bases which soluble in water are called as alkalis. Properties of alkalis are it is soapy to touch and it is corrosive. It is bitter to taste. Next, what is a universal indicator? An indicator which shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions can be known as universal indicator. Strong acids are nothing but the acids which contain more hydrogen ions. Weak acids are nothing but the acids which contains less hydrogen ions. Strong bases contains more hydroxide ions. Weak bases contains less number of hydroxide ions. This is universal indicator which indicates strong acids, weak acids, neutral, weak bases, strong bases with the help of colors. pH scale. The scale which measures the concentration of hydrogen ions. Antacids. Antacids is a base which is used to reduce pain or irritation. Chemical present in antacid is milk magnesia. What is the importance of pH in our daily life? Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called as acid rain. Acid produced in stomach which causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use antacids like milk of magnesia. Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Using toothpaste, which is generally basic in nature, tooth decay can be prevented. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Uses of a mild base like baking soda on stung area gives relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methonic acid causing burning pain. Rubbing with leaf of dog plant gives relief to this pain. So what is rock salt? Large crystals of sodium chloride are called as rock salt. Preparation of sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Uses of sodium hydroxide. It is used for degreasing metals. It is used in making paper. It is used for manufacture of soaps and detergents, and it is used in artificial fiber industry. Now let us move on to washing soda. Chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. Washing soda prepared when baking soda is heated. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Used in making soaps, washing powder. Also used in paper and glass factory. Used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Manufacture of paints. Used for remove the permanent hardness of water. Water of crystallization. It is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Some uses of baking soda. It is used in antacid, used in toothpaste, helps to soften skin, face and body scrub, and helps in silver polish, drain cleaner, bathtub, etc. Uses of chlorine. Chlorine kills bacteria. It is a disinfectant. It is used to treat drinking water and swimming pool water. Chlorine chemistry is used in the production of large proportion of all prescription drugs. Chlorine gas is itself very poisonous and was used as a chemical weapon during the war. Next, uses of hydrochloric acid. To manufacture glue, to purify common salt, in preparation of glucose and chlorides, for bleaching in textile industries. Preparation of bleaching powder. It is produced by action of chlorine on dry slacked lime. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Uses of bleaching powder. It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make water free from microorganisms. It is used for manufacture of chloroform. It makes wool unshrinkable. It is used as oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Uses of plaster of Paris, which means POP, used to doctors as medicine. It is used to prepare toys. It is used to architecture. Thank you.